G'day guys. Now what we've got here is, it's about a 1960-1965 Singer 291U3. So this here is probably what's deemed as one of Singer's best, most versatile lightweight to medium weight machines. So as you can see there, we're already sewing about 3mm leather. This here is about 4 thicknesses of canvas. Underneath we've got a high-speed motor. And that high-speed motor, which is a clutch motor, also has quite good control. So you've got the knee lever. And what comes with this is, I've got about 90 odd 110 needles. You've got a card there of 140 needles, a card of 100 needles, a couple of feet, and some bobbins. So we'll get this old girl up and running. So there you've got the actual thread winder, bobbin winder. So just in general, she's a pretty neat, tidy looking unit. A little bit noisy. So we'll try and sew this. As you can see there, it's about 3mm. I'll try and use a bit of control. So you can see with a bit of experience, you can do quite reasonable piece of speed with it. Reverse. And you've got stitch length as well. So this one can probably go out to about 6 stitches to the inch. So as you can see there, nice stitch on both sides. A very, very nice machine. We'll be starting this one off at 350. So if you've got any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. So this is the Singer 291U3. A very, very nice, tidy, medium to heavy machine.